calculating the probability of independent events on this homework assignment. Problem 13 asks for the probability of spinning the spinner and landing on a space that is not blue, and then rolling a 5 on the die. So the way you handle this is you just take one event at a time. The probability of not blue and 5 is equal to the probability of not blue multiplied by the probability of a 5. And the probability of blue is 1/4, so the probability of not blue must be the complement, which is 3/4. We see that there are 3 equally sized spaces that are not blue. All 4 spaces are equally sized and 3 of them are not blue. So the favorable outcomes are 3 and the possible outcomes are 4. And then the probability of rolling 5 on the die is just 1/6. There's 1 space that's 5 and 6 possible ways the die can land. We could always simplify our fractions before we multiply. If there's a common factor in any numerator and denominator, you can factor out that common factor, in this case 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's the same as just taking 3/3 out of the expression, which is just 1 whole. And we know from the multiplicative identity it's okay to do that. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So the probability that both of these events will happen, both of these independent events, is 1/8. And the way this puzzle works is you look down at the bottom, there's more than one space that says 1/8, but you just cross out one of them. It doesn't matter which one you cross out. The other one that I want to look at with you is this one. For some reason, when students do problems like this, they find them more difficult than the previous problems, when in reality it's the exact same type of problem. You just have to consider one thing at a time. So a test has 2 multiple choice questions, each with 5 choices. What is the probability of guessing the correct answer to both questions? So just figure out the probability of guessing correct on one question, the probability of guessing correct on the next question, and then multiply those probabilities together. Do that during the pause and come back and see how you did.
Paused.
If there are 5 answer choices, you have a 1/5 probability of guessing correct the first time you guess, and you have a 1/5 probability of guessing correct the second time you guess. So the probability of guessing correct on both questions would be 1/25. Okay, I hope that helped with the homework. I'll see you tomorrow.